So here's your first example, and this is example 2 in your textbook, obviously. I'm continuing from yesterday. If you have the following, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Decide whether or not this is a perfect square, and if it is, factor it. Is the item in A's position a perfect square, yes or no? What's its square root? Okay, this is literally how I do it. Is the item in the last position a perfect square? What is its square root? 3. If I multiply these two items and then double them, can I get the middle?
Yes.
What must this be then? A positive or a negative? Then that is your factor. Okay? Is this a perfect square? Yes, there's the square root. Is this a perfect square? Yes, there's the square root. If I multiply A times B and double it, can I get that? Yes, if it's a negative. Okay? In contrast, if it was x squared plus 6x plus 9, it would be x plus 3 squared, right? Because the middle component is a positive. Okay? How about this next one? Okay, ask yourself all the same questions. Is 9t squared a perfect square?
Yes.
What's its square root? Is 1 a perfect square? Yes, what's its square root?
1.
If I multiply 3 by 1 and double it, can I get the middle spot? Remember, it's 2ab. If I multiply these two and double it, do I get the middle spot? No. That means it is not a perfect square. Okay? If it is not, then you just write not a perfect square. And that's the second example in example 2. If you guys look at your textbook, you have another one just like it. I'm going to go ahead and do a few examples from that section just to give you a little bit of practice. And then I'll let you guys go from there. I'm going to do number 21. Y squared plus 6y plus 9. I always assume they're perfect squares. That's why you'll always see me start this way. Is this a perfect square? What's its square root? Is that a perfect square? What's its square root? Multiply these two together and double it. Can you get the middle?
Yes.
What must this be, positive or negative?
Positive.
Don't forget to put your little exponent of 2. That is the factor. Number 25. I'm not going to do a ton. I'm just going to do a handful. 25 is 121 minus 22u plus u squared. Is that a perfect square?
Yes.
What's its root?
11.
And is that a perfect square?
Yes.
What's its root?
U.
Multiply 11 by u and double it. Can I get a middle? What must it be, positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative exponent. Boom. Done. $29. $25x squared minus 15xy plus 36y squared. 25x squared, what's its root?
5.
Root of this one,
6,
multiply those together and double them. Will I get the middle? No, I will not. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. 29 is not a perfect square. So I've just given you 3 freebies. And I've got you guys going up to number 32. So I'll let you guys have the rest of this time.